everyone. Welcome back to Miss English Podcast. I'm Chloe, and today we're bringing you a longer, more detailed classroom conversation, perfect for English learners.
And I'm Ethan. Many of you requested a full teacher-student classroom scenario, so today we're giving you an extended version filled with natural expressions, real classroom language, and everyday interactions.
All right, let's jump into the classroom. Imagine a bright room, students chatting, notebooks open, and the teacher walking in with a warm smile.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
All right, everyone, settle down, please. We have a lot to learn today. First, let me take attendance. When you hear your name, present, please say Arya,
Present.
Cyan,
Present, sir.
Heba.
Present.
Great. Everyone's here today. Excellent. Now let's start. Today's lesson is about daily routines and classroom communication. Before we begin, does everyone have their notebooks, pens, and textbooks?
Sir, I have everything. Sir, I only have my textbook. I forgot my pen.
That's all right. Please borrow a pen from your classmate. But next time, try to bring all your materials.
Here, you can borrow mine. Thank you.
Okay, class. To warm up, I want each of you to share one thing you did this morning before coming to school. Who wants to start?
Sir, I helped my mom make breakfast.
Nice. That's very helpful. Anyone else?
Sir, I studied for a math quiz.
Good job. Preparing ahead of time is very important. All right, let's move on to daily routine vocabulary. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I get ready for school.
I get ready for school.
Excellent. Now, I'll write a few sentences on the board. Please copy them into your notebooks. Sentence 1. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Sentence 2. Before school, I eat breakfast with my family. Sentence 3. I reach school at 8:15.
Sir, could you repeat the third sentence?
Of course. I reach school at 8:15.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I want you to work in pairs. Ask your partner about their daily routine. Use these questions. 1. What time do you wake up? 2. What do you do after breakfast? 3. How do you get to school? You have 5 minutes.
What time do you wake up? I wake up at 700. You? I wake up earlier, around 6:30. Lucky. I wish I could wake up earlier.
Okay, everyone. One more minute. Make sure both partners speak. Time's up. Who wants to share their partner's routine?
Sir, my partner wakes up at 5:45 every day because he helps his younger sister get ready.
That's very responsible. Good work.
Sir, my partner eats breakfast at school because she leaves home early.
Interesting. Everyone has different routines, and that's what makes this activity fun. Okay, class. You all did a great job today. Your speaking confidence is improving. Keep it up. For homework, I want you to write 8 sentences describing your morning routine. Use today's vocabulary and try to keep the sentences in order.
Yes, sir.
All right, class dismissed. Have a great day, and don't forget your homework.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye. And that was our full classroom conversation. We hope you enjoyed this longer, more detailed episode.
If you want more classroom-style lessons, let us know. And don't forget to follow Miss English Podcast for more natural speaking practice.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.